Hola, soy yo de nuevo. Hoy es el día de los covers. Este es mi último cover. Y es para él. Todo el mundo sabe quién es él, excepto él. Es de Demi Lovato. Nice day, night, it's finally got the best of me. I need you next to me. I'll try to find a way that I can get to you. I just wanna get to you. The world is perfect now, you're all around. With you I can breathe. I'll tell your mind, I have to fight. I want to feel the cold inside. I got to fight without you here by my side. I'll tell your mind, not gonna be even close to complete. I won't let you feel your mind. I can only hear your voice ringing through the night. I can't find my mind, keeps on coming back to you, always back to you. Wanting something out of reach is killing me, and you're all I see. Until your mind, I have to fight. I want to feel this whole inside. I got to fight because you're here by my side. Until your mind, not gonna be even close to complete. I won't rest until you're mine. Yes, I won't believe if we were meant to be together, but waiting for me. Ready to begin, but waiting has to end. Right now, today, I'm gonna find a way. Yeah, mine. Until you're mine. Until you're mine. Got to fight because you're here by my side. Until you're mine, not gonna be moving close to complete. I will rest until you're